Welcome to a penny farthings edition of ecopenny. This time I'm going to go on a group ride to Abercrombie House, riding the penny. So we'll keep going straight.
Yes, I've got
Just remembering friend Kay Peacock. Bench was built for her. She's a cyclist that got knocked over, unfortunately. A nice view over there. Coming up to the end of the cycle path, and got about 2 k's of road to get to Abercrombie House. It's the last stretch on Ophir Road now. Made it to Abercrombie House. Welcome to Abercrombie House. We can probably park over there. This is Abercrombie House, built in the 1800s in Bathurst. Now run by the Morgan family as a tourist destination. So they have high teas here, Shakespeare plays and other events. Penny just suits this house. Both heritage things. Pause. Hello.
that was another successful ecopenny adventure. Nice group of 5 riding to Abercrombie House. Thanks to the other guys that came on the ride. It's a nice, enjoyable, social, fun ride. It's a shame there was no coffee at Abercrombie House. They're understaffed today, so no baristas, so no coffee machine. So that's a little bit unfortunate, but it was still a beautiful ride. Did about 20 kilometres in beautiful sunny Bathurst weather. Wasn't too hot, wasn't too cold. It was fantastic. Saw quite a few other people out on bikes and walking dogs and just walking themselves. So it was a beautiful Sunday, nice, relaxing, social ride. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to see more of ecopenny. Thanks for watching and see you next time.